Students, our next topic is grouping of two cells in series. Two cells are said to be connected in series between 2 points A and C if negative terminal of first cell is connected to positive terminal of second cell. Let here these two cells are connected in series. Let E1 and E2 are the EMFs of the two cells and R1, R2 are the internal resistance of the two cells. Let the cells are sending the current in the circuit in the direction shown in figure. Let VA, VB and VC be potentials at point A, B and C respectively, and I be the current flowing through these points. Now the potential difference between positive and negative terminals of first cell is VAB. Potential difference between positive and negative terminals of first cell is VAB. Now potential difference between points A and B is potential at A minus potential at B. Now potential difference between A and B is terminal potential difference of first cell, which is given by V, which is given by V is equal to E minus IR. Now in place of E it will be E1 and I is the current, and in place of R this will be R1. Therefore this will be E1 minus IR1. Now the potential difference between positive and negative terminals of second cell is VBC. VBC is potential difference between B and C is potential at B minus potential at C. Now the potential difference between B and C is the terminal potential difference of second cell, which is given by E2 minus IR2. Now the potential difference between A and C of potential difference between points A and C of series combination of two cells is VAC, which is potential at A minus potential at C. Now adding VB and subtracting VB. Therefore, because on adding and subtracting VB, this equation do not change. Now VA minus VB is given by E1 minus IR1 and VB minus VC is given by E2 minus IR2. Therefore, this becomes VAC is equal to E1 plus E2 minus I into R1 plus R2. If this series combination of two cells is replaced by a single cell of EMF E equivalent and resistance R equivalent between points A and C, which send the same current I through this circuit, then potential difference between A and C will be VA minus VC is equal to E equivalent minus I R equivalent. Now from equation 1 and 2, as the left hand sides are equal, therefore right hand sides are also equal. On comparing right hand sides of equation 1 and 2, we get E equivalent is equal to E1 plus E2 and R equivalent is equal to R1 plus R2. Therefore, equivalent EMF of two cells in series is equal to sum of EMF of two cells, and equivalent internal resistance of two cells in series is equal to sum of internal resistances of two cells. If we have n cells of EMF E1, E2, En and internal resistance R1, R2, Rn connected in series, then equivalent EMF of this series combination will be E1 plus E2 plus En, and R equivalent will be R1 plus R2 plus up to Rn. Therefore, in series combination of cells, equivalent EMF is equal to sum of individual EMFs, and in series combination of cell, equivalent internal resistance in series combination is equal to internal resistance of individual cells. Now if negative terminal of first cell is connected to negative terminal of second cell, then in that case E equivalent become E1 minus E2 and R equivalent remain the same, R1 plus R2.